Today we're gonna read Bear Snores On. This book is my favorite book because this book is about the bears, an old book. And this book, I seen these books before, and this book started the whole. This book is the original version of all of the Bear Snores On. But I'm gonna read now. Bear Snores On, written by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Curled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds groan, but the bear snores on. A nitty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creak crawls in the cave from the fleckful snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, and too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pit up and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who there? Who's there?" And here hops in. "Oh," Mouse says, "here don't I no see?" So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse says, "We slurps." Here burps big birds, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snaps at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and begin." And they nibble and they munch with a chew chump crunch. The bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then wren and raven flurry in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Then here stokes the fire, now seasons the stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole ground freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You snuck in my lair, and you all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I had none." And he whimpers and he moans, he lives and grows, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, and bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can sleep, but his friends snore on. The end.